Baby Farm Animals, Lambs by Anastasia Suen. Read to you by Miss Z, preschool teacher. Look for these words and pictures as you read. Lips, wool, legs, tail. Have you ever seen a lamb? A lamb is a baby sheep. Its mother is a ewe. Some ewes have one lamb. Some have two. Look at the lamb's legs. They are strong. A lamb stands up the day it is born. Look at the lamb's lips. The top lip is split. It can grab small leaves. Look at the lamb's tail. Some tails are short. Some are long. Look at the lamb's wool. It grows thick and fluffy. Wool is used to make clothes. A lamb lives with other sheep. The flock is big. Did you find lips, wool, legs, tail? The end. I hope you've enjoyed this story. See you next time.